Hey guys, it's Molly from CDL Life. Here's what's going on in trucking today. Washington State DOT has announced a chain-up requirement for all truckers driving through I-90. Those who ignore the requirement are going to face a hefty fine. Because of the difficulty in getting tow trucks in to remove crashed vehicles on Snowy Mountain Pass, transportation officials often have to shut down I-90 anytime a crash occurs. Washington State DOT says not only does it take a long time, but it is a huge inconvenience to the more than 30,000 vehicles that travel across Snoqualmie Pass every day. WSDOT warns that drivers who ignore the chain-up requirements are subject to a fine of up to $500. The warning comes as a winter storm is expected to dump as much as 2 feet of snow on Mountain Pass this week. So if you are going to be driving through I-90 in Washington State, don't forget to chain up. And remember, for the latest news, weather updates, and trucking videos, make sure to subscribe to CDL Life on YouTube. As always, I'm Molly with CDL Life. Stay safe, and we'll catch you in the next video.